The first real snowstorm of the winter. And so far, we've got, I would say, a coating. Yeah, I'd go with a coating. It's a heavy wet snow too. It's right at 32 degrees. We're supposed to get 1 to 3 inches today, ending around 5, 6 this evening. But we may get some ocean enhancement here on Cape Ann. Just like lake effect snow, but from the ocean. Which is a lot rarer than than lake effect. Because the conditions have to be perfectly. And Cape Cod gets a lot more than Cape Ann. Because Cape Ann doesn't stick out that much, but if we get a north or northeasterly wind, sometimes we can get ocean effect. It's usually like this, like a dusting, an inch or two. But it can enhance nor'easters too, sometimes. I'll keep y'all updated. Check in later today, see how much snow we get.